don't eat green things commonly.
All right, Aunt Chrissy's going to chug the broccoli right now. Every kid has to try the broccoli.
Beans? You like green beans?
Go better time to start some presents.
For videoing, hurry.
Serious?
Serious. Eat it. Oh, she took one bite. That's going to make it last forever.
Yeah.
Just shove the whole thing in there.
Come on. Chug, 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 chug,
You'll
chug.
live.
You'll live.
It's gross.
Jeez, what are you read that for?
Here, let's see. JT, did you eat your broccoli?
Right here.
Oh, with your fingers. Not very polite. Use your fork.
Hey, you
Seth,
got a smaller one.
Seth, did you eat your broccoli?
He cut it up.
Where's your broccoli? Where is it? Show Mama. Oh, Riley, eat yours. Let's see if you can eat it faster than Aunt Chrissy. Oh, with your fingers. How come nobody uses a fork around here? Seth.
I do.
Broccoli, hurry before Aunt Chrissy. Hurry. Oh, Aunt Chrissy, how's it coming?
What? How? Bizarre.
Boo. Bizarre. What do you think,
Green
McKenna?
beans are much more yummier.
Come on.
Much more yummier.
Also kind of.
It's running out. Say goodbye.